Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a flip through of my 2019 Plum paper planner. Now I did buy this with the intent to use it for a weekly planner, but things just played out a different way. So right now what I'm using it for is a memory planner, and it's really a baby memory planner. So I have gone through every month and I've written down one memory or two per day, and then on the left hand side I've also been tracking how much my little girl has been growing. So I've been writing down how long she's sleeping at night, how much she's eating during the day, different sounds that she's making, and how she's doing with her gross motor skills. So my baby was due in February, but she came very early in November. So she was born at 30 weeks and she spent 47 days in the NICU. So I've really been trying just to document everything since she has come home. As you can tell, the more that she has grown, the more that I've written everything down. It's been really fun just to watch her grow the past 6 months. So just wanted to give you guys an idea of something that you can do to your monthly layout. Next year, I don't know if I'll really do that, but this year, this planner just worked out perfect for me to chronicle her first year of life. So what I plan to do after the year is over is cut these pages out and put them in her baby scrapbook that's going to be her first year, and then I'm gonna add just little pictures here and there to go along with it. I will more than likely do a follow-up video once I have done that, just to show you guys how everything turned out. So that's gonna do it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Come say hi on Instagram, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.